Garlic has been part of the kitchens for centuries. This herb has curative and medicinal properties because of its antibacterial and antiseptic nature. The beneficial properties of garlic are because of a compound allicin. The scientific backing for many of these benefits of garlic is based on studies involving supplements and extracts, including powders and capsules, which may provide doses higher than you get from food. However, long-term use of garlic in smaller amounts, as in daily food preparation, may also produce positive outcomes at lower doses. Here are 10 health benefits of garlic. Number 1. Boost your body immune system. Your body's immunity is what keeps it from getting sick in the first place, and it also aids in the fight against illness when the situation calls for it. Garlic offers an immune system boost to help prevent colds and the flu virus. Children get 6 to 8 colds each year, while adults get 2 to 4. Eating raw garlic can protect against cough, fever, and cold illnesses. Eating 2 chopped garlic cloves every day is the best way to benefit. In some households around the world, families hang garlic cloves on a string around their children's necks to help them with congestion. Number 2. Reduce high blood pressure. Strokes and heart attacks are 2 of the most significant health concerns worldwide. High blood pressure is a considerable risk factor for heart disease. It's thought to cause about 70% of strokes, heart attacks, and chronic heart failure. High blood pressure is the cause of 13.5% of deaths worldwide. Because they are among the significant causes of death, addressing one of their primary causes, high blood pressure, is extremely important. Garlic is a fantastic spice to include in your diet for those suffering from high blood pressure or hypertension. However, even if you are not a lover of garlic, taking garlic supplements will still give you the health benefits such as lowering high blood pressure, treating fever, and many more. Keep in mind that you must make sure that the amount of these supplements you take is the same as 4 cloves of garlic each day. Be sure to talk to your doctor before you start taking any supplements. Number 3. Lower the risk of heart disease. A 2018 research review suggests that garlic can lower total and LDL bad cholesterol. The authors recommend that people with high cholesterol eat more garlic, but caution that more research is needed to verify their findings. According to 2016 research, taking garlic supplements for more than 2 months could reduce your LDL by up to 10%. Researchers noted this effect in people with slightly raised cholesterol levels. But garlic does not seem to have the same effect on triglyceride levels, another risk factor for heart disease. Research also suggests that garlic does not have an effect on HDL good cholesterol. Garlic supplements seem to reduce total and LDL bad cholesterol, particularly in those with slightly high cholesterol. There appears to be no effect on HDL, good cholesterol, and triglycerides. Number 4. Help you live longer. The potential effects of garlic on longevity are basically impossible to prove in humans. But given the beneficial effects on important risk factors like blood pressure, it makes sense that garlic could help you live longer. In a 2019 Chinese study trusted source, older adults who consumed garlic at least weekly lived longer than those who consumed garlic less than once a week. The fact that it can help defend against infectious diseases is also important. Such diseases are common causes of death, especially in older adults. Trusted source or people with weakened immune systems. Garlic has known beneficial effects on common causes of chronic disease, so it makes sense that it could also help you live longer. Number 5. Reduce lung cancer risk. People who ate raw garlic at least twice a week during the 7-year study period had a 44% lower risk of developing lung cancer, according to a study conducted at the Jiangsu Provincial Center for Disease Control and Prevention in China. The researchers, who published their study in the journal Cancer Prevention Research, carried out face-to-face interviews with 1,424 lung cancer patients and 4,543 healthy individuals. They were asked about their diet and lifestyle, including questions on smoking and how often they ate garlic. The study authors wrote, "Protective association between intake of raw garlic and lung cancer has been observed with a dose-response pattern, suggesting that garlic may potentially serve as a chemopreventive agent for lung cancer." Number 6. Decreased risk of prostate cancer. Doctors at the Department of Urology, China-Japan Friendship Hospital, Beijing, China, carried out a study evaluating the relationship between allium vegetable consumption and prostate cancer risk. They gathered and analyzed published studies up to May 2013 and reported their findings in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention. The study authors concluded allium vegetables, especially garlic intake, are related to a decreased risk of prostate cancer. The team also commented that because there are not many relevant studies, further well-designed prospective studies should be carried out to confirm their findings. Number 7. Support cognitive health. Consuming garlic may support brain health by improving cognitive function and protecting against cognitive decline. Studies show that people who follow diets rich in garlic have lower rates of cognitive decline and impairment. A 2019 study that included data on over 27,000 elderly Chinese people found that those who consumed garlic 5 or more times per week were less likely to be cognitively impaired and tended to live longer compared to people who consumed garlic infrequently. What's more, garlic supplements have been shown to improve short-term attention and memory. Researchers believe that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds found in fresh and dried garlic may help reduce inflammation in the brain and protect against nerve cell degeneration, which could help support overall brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Number 8. Help quell inflammation. Scientists believe that chronic inflammation is a driver behind chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and arthritis, according to Harvard Health Publishing. Garlic helps inhibit the activity of certain inflammatory proteins. The group who took 1,000 milligrams of garlic supplements per day for 8 weeks had lower inflammatory markers, less pain and fatigue, and fewer tender joints compared with a placebo group. Number 9. Improve bone health. A few recent studies have measured the effects of garlic on bone health, specifically in women after menopause. Results of a clinical trial published in 2017 showed that garlic can reduce oxidative stress that leads to osteoporosis. The participants took garlic tablets equal to about 2 grams of fresh garlic per day. A 2018 study found that 12 weeks of garlic supplements, 1 gram per day, helped reduce pain in women with knee osteoarthritis and obesity or overweight. Number 10. Reduce blood clotting. One more perk of garlic for your heart health. Compounds in garlic and onions have been shown to decrease the stickiness of our platelets and have anti-clotting properties, says Bazillion. These things may help guard against atherosclerosis, a process in which plaque buildup leads to a hardening and narrowing of the arteries. Per the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, NHLBI, atherosclerosis increases your risk for blood clots that can cause heart attacks and stroke. Of course, eating garlic shouldn't be the only preventive measure you take to protect your arteries. The NHLBI recommends following a heart-healthy eating plan, getting plenty of exercise, managing your weight, and avoiding or quitting smoking.